You know what you're doing.
What am I doing?
Really?
Really what? Girl, stop.
We can't do this.
Do what?
We can't do this.
What's this?
I'm married.
Okay, where is he right now?
At work.
Mm-hmm. And where are you?
I think we should. I think we should slow down.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like we have a good friendship.
We do.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Fuck is going on?
Nothing. Kim was watching TV. I'm working as usual. But she was getting ready to leave. So, yeah.
I was?
Yes, to go do the thing. The thing you have to do for your man. Remember?
We're not done.
Bye, bestie.
Mark?
What?
No make she come back over here no more.
Really? This what you want to do? You want to do this again?
What's that?
You're acting too insecure now. It's like you trying to isolate me from my friends and my family. I'm not dealing with this shit.
Do you have something you want to tell me?
Like what, babe? Chanel is having a sale. It's only this weekend. I see a few bags I like.
Are you taking me for a fool?
What do you mean taking you for a fool? You always take what's going on at work and you bring it to me. And I didn't do nothing to you.
I'm talking about your friend. I don't want her back over here. You see what just happened?
How much do you want to isolate me? I have no friends. I have no family. Kim is my only friend in this white-ass, stupid town. You were just bragging how this friendship is good for me. Have somebody to work out with. Have someone to go to the mall with. But is she only convenient when you go to work? You don't fuck me. You don't eat pussy. Oh, I'm Jamaican. That's not in my culture.
I give you everything you asked me for, right?
Yes. But your presence is more important than your presence. I feel like you're just getting more into...
I'm not sleeping in here tonight.
Okay. You weren't gonna fuck me anyway. Get the fuck out.
What the fuck you out of here?
Don't you ever talk to me like that again.
Are you fucking man? Huh? You wanna do that again? Babe, we'll get this thing there. What's wrong? Come on, let's try. Here. Let's see who first can get the ball in the hole.
There's other things that I want in the hole.
Come on, please don't start now. Can we just have fun?
Okay, babe. Let's hit the balls and have fun. How to do it? How do I do this?
Alright, let me show you. You arch your back. And then you swing like this. Ah, you miss. What? What's wrong?
I want to arch my back while you swing your dick in me and we fuck.
Everything about sex? We can't even go up on a date without you talk about sex?
Why don't you want to fuck me? Why aren't we sleeping together? You haven't touched me. You bring me on a date to
I'm
golf.
stressed. I'm just tired. I can't do this. Like,
You
you
can't
ever
have
think
sex with your wife?
You ever think about my feelings, yo? Me, I work so much.
You brought me to golf. You golf with your friends on a Saturday. Do you see me as a friend? Are you trying to get a divorce?
No.
What are you trying to tell me?
No,
You don't look at me the same. Do you want to be with me?
I want you. I'm just stressed.
Stress.
Just give me some time. We're married. Like, of course you're not gonna be perfect.
I thought marriage would be fun. When you proposed to me, you promised me a life and you're not giving me the life you promised. Yes, you have the money.
I am. Okay? I am. Just give me some time. Alright? Please?
I don't wanna keep feeling like this.
I got you. Okay? Let's just enjoy the rest of the night. Okay?
You enjoy the rest of your night.
Babe. Babe. What's wrong? We just come from a date and you still vexed. Lately you act weird.
That was the stupidest date I've ever been on in my life. Am I in high school?
I'm trying to do something special.
Golfing is special? That's what you do with your friends at your fucking office.
You know the reservation for the place and book out. That's why we end up there. All of this are needed.
It's not needed. You don't even put thought into time with me. You make it a problem that I want sex. If you don't want to be married, email me the divorce papers, send it in a package. You treated me like shit. You think I deserve this?
Yeah, act like this one. You have a next man. Must. Yeah, act funny. You must have a next man.
When would I have time to be with the next man? If I'm not with you, I'm with Kim.
Oh, so Kim. Kim fine man for you, right? No, that bitch.
Where? You moved me to this stupid town where there's nobody.
I know.
We're the only black people here.
I know that girl never good, bro. I'm gonna keep on.
Now you want to make this about Kim, not about you. Not about what you've been doing to me. How you been making me feel.
Yeah.
Why don't you try fucking your wife, loving your wife? Listen, I know you know all about computers and how to make money, but you don't know how to make a bitch come. You don't know how to make me feel special. You
So
think I want to live like that?
Okay. As a man, you think that, right? Oh, yeah, talk to me.
You lucky that's all I'm saying, because I have a lot more I could say. And I have a lot more I could do.
I need to put up with this.
You don't have to put up with it.
You're right.
Anybody would be lucky to be with me. There's a lot of people right now that wish they knew how my pussy tastes, and all you could think about is, oh, I'm Jamaican, we don't eat pussy.
Leave my house. Since that's all you think.
I'm not leaving nowhere. I'm not leaving your house. Because this is my house too. These decorations, I put the time into it. You don't do shit except pay.
And that's not enough?
I love you, babe. I love you. I want to be with you. I want to be with you. I want this to work. But you're not making me feel... Are you seeing somebody else? You act like it's work all the time, but are you not attracted to me anymore? You used to just... You couldn't keep your hands off me. We used to just fuck anywhere. And it's like, Now, no matter what I do, I'm not good enough. You don't love me?
What kind of question that? This time of night you want to have that conversation there? Whole day today we are arguing? Stop. Why you want to have sex now, right?
No, I...
Go to bed, yo.
Shantae, let's go. Oh my God, this girl, Shantae. Oh my God.
Okay, I'm ready. Can you just help me put on my chain, please?
Bitch. Okay.
You like it?
I like it.
Okay.
Pull your hair up.
Yes.
There you go. Thank you.
I'm so ready to go out. I'm
Oh my
so sick of this man. You just don't even understand. You know he took me mini golfing.
Not mini golf. Mini golf is crazy.
Mini golfing.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay. Here, here's your drink.
But I've already been drinking.
Yeah, you need a new one. Let's go. Cheers
Two.
to a real date. A real fun night. Because who the fuck goes mini golfing? We're not 12. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers to
Good friends.
good friends and yeah.
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 Babe, what the hell? Are you trying to get me fucked up?
Stop. You want more chase?
Yeah, I do.
Alright, here you go.
I just feel. Do you feel like I'm doing too much? Like,
No, you're
he would hate this.
You're literally perfect. I love it.
If-
I love it.
Okay, but what do you think my husband would think?
He should love it too.
I don't think he would love it, but
Why wouldn't he love it? Doesn't he want to see your body?
I don't think he wants other people to see my body
Why?
because he's conservative. He's not.
Man, fuck that boy.
No, but do you feel like okay, wait.
Cheers.
Do you think the outfit is disrespectful? Would this pass as a sexy club outfit with the girls?
Of course. Sexy club with the girls.
You don't think it's too much booty showing? Look, I'm not doing
It's
too much.
No. It's literally like if you do like this, it's perfect.
So I saw you come off of the road.
Hi, Daddy. You're so handsome.
You're so fucking drunk, you don't know yourself right now.
Hi, Daddy.
You look like a prostitute.
I'll be your prostitute. Come back.
You know what?
Baby, you're no fun. Let's go fuck in the car. I just want to have a good night. You said you were working, so I went out with my friend.
4 o'clock in the morning and you just like me now.
Come fuck me right here.
You just care about fucking right now.
Just come.
You know what? Can't do this. Good night. No, babe. No. No, not tonight. Okay? Not tonight, babe. Come on.
Baby,
Stop, I'm tired. You just come from work.
I miss you.
Tomorrow, please. Okay, yeah, tomorrow. Okay, stop, come on.
You cuddle?
I'm hot. Can we go to bed? I'm trying to sleep and you're waking me up. I have to leave for work, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Hey, my God.
What? Where you going?
Me leave for work.
What you mean you going to work? You just came from work.
Yeah, but man, for going, I left some paper up on the table, so.
You haven't been talking to me since I came home late. Come take a shower with me, babe.
Just make sure I get this.
Come take a shower with me. You just came from work. You don't gotta go back to work.
I'll talk to you later.
Don't leave! Ah!